Are you craving for some gungo rice and peas? Well, if you want to see how I achieved this one in under 30 minutes, continue watching. Yes, guys. So let me just give you a run through of all the ingredients. Here I have some scallion, thyme, ginger powder, allspice. We have our canned gungo. That's what we're using. Garlic powder, salt. And here is a mixture of coconut cream and coconut milk. I portion them out and freeze them so it's easier when using. So first thing is that we're going to open our canned gungo and put that to start boiling on the fire just to warm up. Then we add 1 can of water to that. And now we're going to prep our scallion and thyme. You can cut them as I'm doing, or you can just smash them together. And here I am using some pimento berries as well, and I'm going to add my coconut milk cream mixture to that. We're just going to add everything to the pot now, allow it to come to a boil, and then we can add our washed rice. So continue watching, guys, and I'll catch you at the end of the video. This is around 18 minutes in and our rice is cooked. So the next step is to fluff it up with our fork and then it's ready to serve. So as you see, guys, feel free to use your canned gungus. Just spice it up to your likings. And thanks for all the support for all my new supporters. I appreciate you guys a lot. For those from day one, I appreciate you guys a lot. So please watch full, like the video, share, drop me a comment below, and do subscribe if you haven't. And until next time, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.